See here in this problem, here for system having the input x of t and output is y of t. So it was represented as a differential equation. So this is the input output relation in time domain, that is a differential equation. But here we want the trans function. How can you find it? But we know that trans function means it is also relation for input and output, but in a frequency domain, that is y of s by x of s. So that is a trans function. Let's assume that this is equation 1. So by applying Laplace transform on both sides, we will get the trans function. Let's see here. So 7 into Laplace transform of derivative of y of t is s into y of s, plus 5 into Laplace transform for y of t is y of s, that's equal to 8 into Laplace transform for derivative of x of t is s into x of s, plus 7 into x of s. Now on left hand side, bring y of s common. So the equation becomes y of s into 7s plus 5 equal to, on right hand side, bring x of s common, that is x of s into 8s plus 7. Now bring this term on left hand side and this term on right hand side. So then it becomes y of s by x of s equal to 8s plus 7 divided by 7s plus 5, and this is the required trans function for the given system, and this is the process of simplification.